Here's the blue switch. Stays on as intended. Let me pause the video and switch to the red switch to see my problem. Okay, here's the red switch. Let me just tighten this down. Alexa, turn off movie lights. As you can see, it's dim. Oh, now I don't see anything. If I disconnect, works for a moment. And we'll power off. That's it. Batteries are full. Tried numerous batteries, all the same result.